down.
Breaking ball, got him looking. And Perkins picks up 3 strikeouts in a save in the 9th inning. A walk and a single, another threat. But the Twins prevailed on the Hunter home run in the 9th.
Last pitch of the game just locked him up with a breaking ball that kind of backdoored him. And he picks up his 3rd strikeout and 1st save in a while.
Tom Hanneman, it was perhaps the ugliest win of the year, but maybe the most necessary win of the year.